The picture of the Korean national hero on this coin is Sun-Shin. Sun-Shin, born April 28, 1545, died December 16, 1598 at the age of 53, is a Korean military figure and national hero. He was a figure who was instrumental in suppressing the invasion of Japanese troops who invaded during the 7 Years' War during the Joseon dynasty. One of the biggest contributions in the Korean military is the use of the world's first ironclad war in the shape of a turtle called the Gobukseon. Until now, Sun-Shin is considered the greatest Korean hero because of his loyalty, tactics and perseverance in fighting. Sun-Shin was died at the age of 54 years in 1598, right after his victory at the end of the 7 Years' War. The 7-Year War began on May 23, 1592, when a Japanese Sengoku-era landowner was named Toyotomi Hideyoshi mobilized his army and hit the Korean peninsula. At that time, the target was Korea, which was ruled by the Joseon dynasty, and China, which was under the rule of the Ming dynasty. Korea is trying to stem Japan with its sea power. This is where the name Sun-Shin became famous. In 7 years of war, Sun-Shin won 23 battles at sea without losing. He was given the title Cheongmyu-gong, or the hero of loyalty and devotion. Among his most famous stories are the Myeongnyang War and the Battle of Hansan Island. That was a short story from the history of Sun-Shin. Enjoy the video.